Hey family, day 4, bloody battle, 3-star, no nature. I had 2 losses yesterday. 5 for 5 on day 2, and 1 loss for day 1. So let's see if my defense is picked up. Looks like I got another win. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so that's 4 out of 11. What does that make? 36%, right? Yeah. Okay. So let me see here. I believe I have the hero's chest is open. Okay. Okay, let's see how they do me with tiles. I really like this guy, so I think I'm going to invest in limit breaking him. This will just be the start. Okay, cool. So we have that. Now, this one, I have to see what this one does. Okay, we're going to need a cleanse. I think we need to go mainly with holies. And I think this time I'm not going to save Kinsashi because I think that me saving his, I think to get to the 3rd charge, right? I tried to do that. And yeah, they killed him before I was able to do that. Okay. I don't need to really worry about the center character. She's probably just cannon fodder. So I'm going to really focus on the flanks, actually. I think they're the most dangerous. Okay. All right. So, how can we do this? I want to pull up mainly holy tiles. Okay, I'm gonna not save this guy for last. I don't want to pop the diamond yet. Okay. Now would be a good time to do it. Let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, baby. That was the first time I've seen him do that. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. And I can get away with doing this right here. The good thing about damage over turns is that it will reduce the duration of these soft and thick skin. It's not thick skin, but it's soft skin and whatever for the gargoyles. I love all these dodginess. I know that's not a word. This hero is dope. This right one, this one right, where is he? This guy is dope. I'm excited. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Trevo. I love the fact that this guy has not left that position. Okay. I'm going to go with this one more time. I'm mainly focusing on Trevo. I want to get rid of him because he's the biggest threat. Let's do those into Baltazar. I find it so fascinating that even when it's not slow. All right, I noticed that about me. I sometimes don't finish my thoughts. Okay, I noticed that it's very interesting that Treeville, if he's a tank, even if it's not rush attack, he has a very high percentage of going off, and he's at very slow speed. Okay. Can someone hit this guy, please? I need a B to hit him. Ew. Let's see. 47? This guy kind of... He's a menace if you don't take care of him. Okay, cool. So what do we have next with flag number 3? Voldemort. Oh gosh, this hero. He kind of sucks. All right. So let's go with, we're going to change it up a little bit. You stay. Let's go with Ice Heroes. And I think what I'm going to do is, if I want to counteract Voldemort's fiends, I need to have more minion makers. So that way I could push them out. All right, so we're going to give him the attack troop. Now this is quite passive. Well, there's only really... Well, there's 3 attackers. 2 of them are snipers. Isn't this a sniper? Yeah. Okay, so let's go with someone that's fast. I want to go with the dark hero that's... Well, I haven't used him yet. And we'll go with the attack troop. And let's go with... let's keep it fast. Or... Well, I have 3 minion makers. Yeah, I'm cool with that. And let's give her the attack troop. I'm going to go with this chain. I was bored with him doing that. Okay. Almost sounds like, what is that, paint splatter? Let's do this. Okay. Wow, that was a pretty hefty hit. I think I need to focus over here. These guys know who to target. It's insane. And a slash attack will kill Azar. Just you watch. Oh, there are none coming. Oh yeah, there's one. Okay, cool. So let's stop. Okay. Oh, I see why. They keep killing the minion so the fiend doesn't get pushed out. Either way, I still won. Okay. So, he should not be in the corner. He should actually be the tank or a flank. We're going to need someone that's a little bit more sturdier than him. I need a cleanse, but... Okay, let's configure this. Reconfigure. All right, so we're going to use Tyrum here. And I need another ice hero. Let's change the troops. Should I go with Dispel or Cleanse? I'll take Dawn out because I think I can put someone else in her place. I would probably be a little bit more. Okay. So let's change his troop. So I have a Dispel and a Cleanse. Okay, let's go. I'm already sensing a considerable lack of ice tiles. If I can get, I just need what, 2 more ice matches? I should just use him anyway. And then I'll just... Okay. Yeah, baby. So let's do this. Let's dispel that. Oh, he's covered. Hmm. How long is he covered for? 2 turns? Can we get rid of Dawn? Let's get rid of this guy before he causes... Wait a minute. I can actually kill him with those ice tiles. Okay, cool. So that was flag number 4. Hmm. Who else do I have besides him that I can use? Let's see, what is his defense at? 635. But the thing is his minion has the ability to dispel buffs with its hit. Do I need a cleanse? I don't think so. Oh yeah, from him, yeah. Let's see, his first attack doesn't do any burn damage. His second attack does, and so does his third. Okay. So I don't really have to worry too much about that. But it's best to have you want to have a safety net. Hmm. And these charge heroes are unpredictable as defense heroes because you don't know what charge they'll set off on. Set off on. Typically, it depends on how low their health gets when they'll charge. But sometimes they'll still go to the second charge when you might need the first. Okay. I was not always the greatest speaker growing up. I feel like I'm better when I'm scripted. And sometimes I don't always say the right words when I'm going ad lib or on the spot. Okay. So let's use him to dispel all of that. Well, maybe we can even leave Dawn for later. Let's chip away. What if I should make a nature match to get rid of these tiles? Okay. So does that conclude day 5? Day 4? Wow, sweet. Aside from day 3, I'm doing rather well. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys for day 5.